This is a fairly simple question if you know how to do it, which I guess you could say that's true of all questions, right? So we're given a graph of this function, and they want to know what are the solutions of the function. So first of all, this is a quadratic equation here, quadratic function, and I know that because of the x squared. And quadratic functions graph is a u, or a parabola, which this is. And this a value here, the value in front of the x squared, tells us whether it's an upside down u like this or a right side up u. And it's negative, so that makes it an upside down u. Okay, that's just a little extra information. What you need to know is how do you find the solution to a quadratic when you're given the graph? And so it's actually very simple. The solution, I'm going to write this down. The solution, there might be one or two. So I'm going to put a parentheses S. This comes from the x-intercepts. And there might be more than one. So the x, I'm going to write this plural, x-intercepts. And so all we have to simply do is look at the graph and see where it crosses the x-axis, which is right here. So it only crosses in one place, but you can see how if this was shifted up, it might hit the x-axis in more than one place. So this has one solution and it crosses at 2, so the solution is 2. So again, if you know how to find the solutions using the graph, this is a pretty easy question. All right, so keep working hard and you will master the math.